Divide 924 by 7 in long division method. 7 times 1 is 7. On subtracting, we get 2. So now this 2 is less than 7. So we put down this 2 and it is 22. 7 times 3 is 21. On subtracting, we get 1. So again, this 1 is less than 7. So we put down this 4 and it is 14. 7 times 2 is 14. On subtracting, we get 0. So 924 divided by 7 is 132. So this much for today and thanks for watching.